It's Lauren and Shane back with another Roblox video, and today we are going to be playing Don't Press the Button. Because if you press this button, something terrible happens. Okay, well, let's play the game. Okay, here we are. Don't press the button. Hey, someone press the button. Wait, what is this? Oh, I'm not going in here. Oh, it's Minecraft. Okay, guys, don't press the button. Hey, get away! I said don't press the button. What are those mines? Run! Run. Oh, I saw someone die. Whoa! I don't have any money. Watch out for these mines. I'm gonna ask somebody to don't press the button. Did they press the button? And after this level, I'm gonna press the button. Okay, guys, don't push the button. Get away. Hey! Stop. Wait, I'm stuck. Hey, help! I'm stuck. Wait, why am I stuck? Hey, help me! I'm stuck. I'm trapped. Wait, I'm stuck. Wait, I can't get out. Help! I'm gonna die. No. Guys, don't push the button. I'm gonna press it anyway. Whoa, there's planes. Whoa! We should go inside. Ooh, we can climb these stairs. We could be the king of the hill. Whoa! Oh my god! Whoa! Oh no. Where did it? Okay, I'm pressing it. What is this place? Whoa! Who are those? Help! They're gonna kill me! Someone died! Don't kill me! No, I got exploded! No, now I'm trapped. Okay. Ooh, what's this? SCP. Wow. This is cool. I didn't respect this. What's this? SCP. Oh! Oh! Hey, hello! Let's shut the doors. Let's go to level 1. Hey, stop. Let me shut the doors. There we go. Oh, we're standing up. Okay. Alright. Whoa. This looks very easy there. Easy here. Easy there. Oh god. There he is. Oh god. No. Whoa! Oh no, I died! Oh man! I'm never going to this elevator again! Oh, this guy died too! What? Are you serious? So wakeful. That was so impossible. Okay, let's just press the button! And twice. Oh. Ooh. I died! Oh, man! Oh, well. Let's just press the button. Okay. Is this SCP? It's SCP! Wait a minute! Hold up, the background's different! It's a noob! That must be different. Let's open the doors. Let's go in! Let's shut the door. Go to level 1. Hey, stop letting me open You're not making me close the freaking doors! Oh, it's running. There we are. Whoa! Who are you? There's noobs everywhere. What? Oh no. Oh no. What are they doing? Oh, I can climb up those. Hey, noobs! Oh god. Hey, wait! Okay. Don't go in there. Oh, you're going this. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Where? Oh god. Bruh! Your eyes just blinked! Whoa! I found someone's eyes got blinked. That is a very cool. Oh, what? What is this? Oh! Whoa! You're shooting me! I'm gonna die! Oh, there's still I can shoot lots of people. I can shoot them. Die! 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 All of you! Die! Okay. Don't. I said don't press it! Oh, you just pressed it. What's this? Can I go inside? Whoa! Whoa! Oh, it oofed! No! I didn't even mean to! Oh, this level I got stuck! Oh, no, I died! No, I died! No, I was so close! No! Oh, well, no choice. Guess that's okay. This guy's stuck in there too. Whoa, don't touch those. Hey! Oh god, I'm never touching this machine. Run! No, it died! Oh, this guy didn't die! Except for me. I think I was the only person that died. This guy's still alive. Oh! What's this? Wait, is it like acid escape? Is this acid escape? It is acid escape! Okay. Where do we go now? Go. Jump! Oh. Where do I need to go? Oh my god. No. I'm gonna die. No, I died! No, I died! I was so close! Okay. Whoa! It killed this guy! Don't touch this! No, don't touch it! Don't kill me! Oh my god! I was so close! Oh! Yes, I was the only person that survived! Okay, press! Okay. Oh! Got the dance! Woo! Look! I'm in the coffin! Somebody's in the coffin! Yay! Woohoo! Okay, that's enough of that now. Oh god. What is this? Is it blood? Oh god. I must escape. Escape! I'm gonna drown on it. Hey! I'm not. Hey! Let me move! Let me move! Hey! Let me move! It's not letting me move! Oh! This phone is so slippery! I can't move! You know what? Okay, so... Whoa! We're huge! Cool! Everyone is huge! Whoa! Okay. Oh! Okay, I'm gonna press it. Here! Let's race! Let's kick it! Whoa! Whoa! No, I fell! Oh. Okay. Duck! Oh, the ducky! Oh my god. Okay. I'm the button presser! Okay. It's a unicorn! unicorn. Huh? It's a cannon. Whoa! 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 Oh my God! Okay. Okay. All right. I'm gonna press it. Yes, I pressed it. Whoa! Cats and dogs. It's raining cats and dogs. Those are my favorite dogs. Use your gum to jump in the top. Oh, I have gum. Whoa. 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 Oh my God. Whoa. Whoa. I think I'm first. It's like Bubblegum Simulator. Whoa. 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 Let's make it to the top. No, we didn't make it to the top. Oh well. The water is rising yet to safety. Okay. It might be flood. Let's hurry to the top. Oh my gosh. We must hurry. Oh God. Oh, I made it. Oh, this girl pressed the button. This is the same face as me. Yay, I'm the only person that survived. Yay. Okay, I'm pressing it. Oh, now the lava is rising to the top. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. Yay, I made it first. Let's dance. Yay. Yay, my best girlfriend. Oh, she's jumping. It looks like she's dancing. This is awesome. Yay. Yay. My girlfriend got to the top. Oh, okay. Get to the other side of the tightrope. Oh God, someone pressed the button. Oh no, don't fall off. Don't fall off. Okay, I made it. I made it. Good. Okay, I made it to the end. Finally, I am going to be able to press the button. It's time to press the button. Here I go. 3, 2, 1. Let me press it. Press! Let me press the button. Whoa! Whoa! An earthquake! Oh my God! Earthquake! Earthquake! Somebody help! 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 Earthquake! Okay, it's finally gone. Okay. Whoa! Who are you? You're Superman! Whoa! He's floating up the sky! So awesome! Okay, let me press the button too. Let me press it. Beep, beep. Huh? Guard coming! Guard coming! Might be a dino. I'm gonna turn into a dino. Dino me. Oh, you do not have permission to use dino. Okay. Rainbow! I love Rainbow. My statue loves Rainbow too. She's like, yay! It's a dance party! Let's dance! Yay! Oh, it's over. Oh, it's a lava spinner! Oh God, we must survive it. Let's survive this. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Jump! No, I died! This girl died too! Let's see. Oh man, everyone died! Oh man, everyone died! They think it's so hard. Do you think? My time to press the button. Press. Oh my God! No, my statue! Oh God, we must get on the button. We gotta get on the button. Oh no. Oh no! Oh no! No, we're gonna get. Oh, I oofed! That was so impossible. I didn't even believe that. Okay. Uh-oh. What's that? Mwahaha, you mortal human. You feel all power? Meteorino! Whoa, there's falling meteors everywhere! Whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoa, whoa! My statue! I think my statue's okay. My statue's okay. What? My stupid camera! I'm gonna punch the camera. Whoa. Okay, we're back. Sorry about that. It didn't let me move. Okay. Go on and play quick! No. It's not letting me move! This phone is slippery. I got 2 jump coils. I want a super speed coil. It's just a jump coil. I hate jump coils. I guess I'm gonna need the original classic speed coil. I don't want to jump. Okay, no. Oh man, I used like a bacon hair. Quick! Oh, there's a platform. Okay, I'm on the platform. Nice. Someone else is on the platform too. Hey, she cheated. Score a goal. Okay, I'm in this score. I'm sorry. Sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom.
Here.
Whoa. Whoa.
Here.
Oh. I must hurry.
Stop messing this bed. Look at why you doing that. Sleeping on screen.
Okay. There's another one incoming, so we must watch out. There it is. Go. Go in there. I have a super speed coil, and gravity coil. Okay, I'm gonna use a gravity coil this time. Jump! I did it! This guy did too. Press. Go on, play quick. Okay, I'm gonna go away this one. Someone else is on here too. Yay, someone's on my spot. Okay, let's press this again. Avoid the ice! Whoa, what's this? Whoa, there's ice falling out of the sky! Whoa! Oh god, go! Oh, okay, push. Don't push me up. Okay, go back. Ugh. Whoa, we did it. Okay. Get down. Oh gosh. Oh no. Oh god. Ooh, yes I did. Okay. Oh, wait, I thought his guy died. He almost died. Hit the middle. Oh! Yes! I hit the middle! This guy hit the middle too. Someone else. Easy. So easy. Yo, dude. Get down on the green plate. Okay. Hey. Never mind. Thought he was gonna. Okay. Beat the obstacle. Whoa! I was too fast for that! I died! Everyone else died too. Someone died too. Oh my. Hey! Is that the bacon here? Spooky hiking? Oh, watch out for that. Oh. Jump. Oh no. Jump. No. Oh god, jump. Oh. Whoa, no. Oh, no. Howard! My phone is sweaty. Oh, I got it. No, I oofed! Don't open. I'm an imposter! Whoa! I turned into an imposter! Whoa! I turned into an imposter! Yay! Climb the tower quick! What's this? Hey! Slippery! It's a tsunami! Oh my god, it's a tsunami! Okay, good thing I made it! Let's just dance. I love them. What? This guy died!
I think it's because it was just that.
Whoa!
Huh? Why isn't it moving? Oh. I'm gonna use this. I'm not gonna use the super speed coil. I'm gonna just do this. No, I moved!
You're right. What you doing there?
Okay, guys, do not press the button. I know you guys do not want to press the button. Wait, what's going on? Oh man,
I guess it just happened.
To grow by doing good deeds. Come on, guys.
Okay. Now we're in don't press. Okay, so we're in the game. Throw the bubblegum as quick as you can. Oh well.
I don't have bubble. Wait, I don't have bubble gum. This girl does. Wait, she has bubble gum. Wait, I don't have bubble gum.
Rihanna won with 29 points.
Good job. Okay.
Ugh!
Okay, what's gonna happen? Speed run? Whoa! 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 This is so much fun. Whoa! 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 Whee! This is so much fun! Yay! Whee! Let's race to the... let's go! Yeah! Let's go! Yay! We did it!
La 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 Up, I'm gonna press the button. Oh, someone just pressed it. Hit the most cupboards. Oh! Whoa! Oh, I missed it again. Oh. No. Oh gosh. Oh. Keep missing. This is insane. Okay. Oh, I got it. Noobs. Oh, I got it. Oh, someone just won. Oh, man. Someone just won. Okay, I'm not gonna move. All right, I'm not moving. You can move that. Okay. Okay, what's gonna happen now? What's gonna happen? Oh! They're spawning meteors everywhere. What? Oh my God! I'm gonna run away. Whoa! 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 Don't fall on them. Whoa, I almost fell. I almost fell off the edge. Whoa! Whoa! I just died! I just died. Oh, someone pressed the button. Wait, get ready to color the title team. The most colored tiles wins. Okay, we're the blue team. Here we go. No. Stop. Okay, color. Okay, blue team. No. No red team allowed. Blue team. Blue team. No. Stop, girl. Stop, girl. Girl, stop. Okay, time's team was gonna win. Great shot. Put on the.
Ooh, okay. This is kind of interesting. Let's put them all together. Okay, get the last one. Okay. Oh, what? Uh-oh.
What? How did you? What the plug? My hair! Oh God. Let me play. Yes, I won!
Okay.
Let's see what's going on now. Oh no! Not the meteors again!
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my God. Whoa. Oh my God. It almost hit me. It almost hit me. Oh God. Oh.
My neck! My head! Oh my God. Oh God. Watch out! Oh God. Whoa. Oh, watch out!
Oh, get the coins. Oh God. Coins. Diamond. Oh, diamond's gone. Whoa. Oh, it's over. Oh. Zombies are remaining from the city. Run from them. Okay. I'm the survivor. I don't want to turn into a zombie. Oh gosh. Dope. I'm going this way. Hey, Bacon. Whoa, gosh. Oh, there's a zombie incoming. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. 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 Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. We're surrounded. Ah! There's the zombie! Help! Go! Oh, I'm survived. I'm surviving. No! I see a zombie! No! No! Don't get me! Don't get me! Help! 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 No! I turned into a zombie! No! Is that the statue from News? Where are the News? Oh, I see one!
They're killing me. Ah! Oh, I'm gonna stick with the bacon here. Oh God, the statue's still alive though, 200%. Oh. Okay. Oh God. Get the hammer, move! You got him. Get him! Get him! Get him! Yay! The statue got protected! Okay, let's see what's... Uh-oh! The button disappeared! Press the button if you found it. Okay. It looks so dark. Oh! Wait a minute. I thought this was the button shining. Okay, I gotta find the button. Okay, there's the diamond. Where's the button? Oh, I found it! I found the button! Yay, I found the button. Okay, someone pressed it. Yes, we'll Start falling from above.
catch them and place them on the correct conifer. Okay. Nice Christmas music. I'm gonna get my speed coil. I'll go more faster. Okay, get the green. Ooh. Oh. Get the red one. Oh! I just got to the wrong one. Okay. Okay. Okay, the blue. Get the red one. Oof. Okay. Oh. Okay, let's get the yellow one. Yellow. Okay. Get the blue. Wait. Get red. Alright. Heater. Okay, it goes in. Okay, red. I won! I won! Okay. Speed run! Yay! Another speed run. Okay. Oh. I'm gonna race with the gas. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna be first. I'm gonna play with gas. Oh. I'm gonna be first. Yes! I won! Just 1 second. Yay! We won again! Yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Okay, let's press it. Don't press it this time. Oh, it pushed me off! Oh! What? It just pushed me off! Oh man, I died! This guy died too. We're just gonna stick with this guy. Oh man, I died! This bomb came out of nowhere! I died because the bomb pushed me off! It threw me off of the base plate! Okay then. Okay, drink some hot chocolate. Somebody won! Oh, someone pressed the button too.
Hey, we saw
It's Michael! Tsunami incoming! Oh, I made it! Finally. This girl made it too. Someone else made it. Oh my god. Okay, let's get out of here now. Yeah, I pressed it! Finally! Get ready to sword fight? Ah! Yeah! Oh. Yeah! Let me win! Yes! Okay. No! She killed me! No! She killed me! Oh man! I was getting close for winning! Oh man! Oh well. I guess I have no choice, but somebody won. Oh god. Oh, somebody won. 2 people won. Okay, I'm gonna. Hey, no, girl. Oh, somebody's the seeker. Okay, I'm gonna check who is the seeker. Oh, the bacon hair. The bacon hair is the seeker. Okay, don't get caught by the bacon hair. Okay, get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna. No, don't let bacon hair catch me. Oh god. Don't let bacon hair catch me. Oh! Hey! Wait, maybe this girl wants to catch her. Oh no. Just there's a shite lighting. It'll maybe be this girl. I think it's actually. Oh no! No! Bacon hair killed me! No! Bacon hair! Oh man! No! Bacon hair killed me! Oh man! Bacon hair to kill me. I just saw bacon hair. Don't have to deal with bacon. Oh, that was the only person that survived. Okay. Get ready to push each other with a blow dryer. That's impossible because we'll freeze. Okay, I'm gonna use this decoy. Don't get pushed off. This guy. I don't want to freeze. This is my speed coil. Get away from me! Help! No! Don't push me off! No! He pushed me off! No! Oh man! I died again! Somebody won again! Press. Yes, I pressed it! Zombies are remaining from city again. Okay, don't get captured by the zombies. I'm gonna go this way. Oh, I found a zombie! Let's get away! Get away from it! Go! Run! Don't kill me! Oh no, I'm trapped. I'm gonna be trapped. No, help! No, I turned into a zombie again! Wait, watch out! Boulders are coming! Yeah! Watch out! Petri blood! Oh, someone just died, by the way. Okay, let's see what's next. Whoa! There's a noob. Sorry. Messages. No. Oh gosh. Oh my god. Oh. Give me it. Give me it. Oh. Stop. Get away, noob. Oh. I won. Okay.
It's the most beautiful thing I've seen in my life. It's a ball and a knife.
Oh,
You're too loud.
Oh man, I guess that's over now. I guess I hope you guys enjoyed this video and sorry.
Never mind. The video is still playing. I just died, but she pressed it.
I hear you yelling.
Diamonds in the clay.
You're too loud.
Okay, I'm not gonna speak. Maybe down this way.
Too loud.
Not this way. Maybe, nope, not here. Let's go. No. Oh god. Oh, there is. No, she got it. I am going to choke this girl's neck right now. Get ready to throw ornaments in the tree. The player, the most ornaments put on the tree wins. Okay. Let's put ornaments. Not even Christmas yet. Why should a Christmas music? Listen, jingle bells. I want to win. I'm winning. I'm gonna win. Oh, I'm gonna 25, 26, 27, 28. Did I win? No! Unicorn Fluffy 4-1-1-1. Oh man, I was so close of winning. Okay. Defend the statue from noob. Oh man, I don't have a sword. What? I don't have a sword. What? I don't have a sword. What? What the heck? I don't have a sword. gonna be the statue. Oh, the statue. Oh, the statue of a new pressing. That is, didn't notice. Oh, Ninja Noob, kill him. Oh, it's killing me. Don't let anyone kill me. Oh. Yay, the statue got protected.
Cheeseburger.
Okay.
It's the most beautiful thing I've seen in my life.
Bananas! Yay, bananas! Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed my Don't Press the Button video. Make sure to like my video and also subscribe to my video. Don't dislike the video or I will get mad. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys later in the next video. Bye, everyone!